So good morning, we're back in beautiful Griffith Park and we're going to have our normal morning walk around the park area here. A beautiful place. I do always love coming to Griffith Park and taking a look, so let's carry on and let's have a walk. So there's the observatory and we're looking out there towards downtown. So it's 9 AM in the morning and my god, it's 84 degrees already, so it is absolutely scorching hot today. Let's go check out and have a look at the Hollywood sign and see what we can see of the city of Los Angeles here. Daryl's there, he's been taking his pictures. And look there at the amazing Hollywood sign. Let's just zoom in on that for you so you can have a look. It looks absolutely fantastic. And look at the sprawl of the city there. Like I say, can't get anything any better than that for a view. It's absolutely tremendous. So let's walk now to the observatory and have a quick look at that. Can't tell you just how hot it is.
Scorching.
It's going to be absolutely scorching in the middle of the day. We're going to drink some water and that today, I'm telling you. Beautiful area. We always keep it very clean, very tidy. And it's a place I do always love coming up and having a look. Let's just check this tree out here. Look at all the white blossom on this. It looks amazing. Don't know what's going to go on here, but there's a lorry there unloading something. And there's a van parked up there, so we'll have to have a look in a second when we get to that point. The grass is very burnt off this year. They definitely do need to do something with that and get the grass to regrow. But look how beautiful the observatory looks there, with the beautiful blue sky behind it. What an amazing picture. So we've got James Dean here. We did yesterday go past the James Dean crash site in California as we were heading back to Los Angeles from San Francisco. Let's just have a look round here now at this absolutely spectacular view we've got here in LA, and you can see why people keep coming up here. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to head now around the back. And just check the incredible view out here. It's so hot, you're getting like a smog haze, I think, over the city today, so it isn't probably going to be quite as clear as what it was when we were here a couple of weeks ago. but it'll still look absolutely amazing. So there you go, there's downtown LA, and we'll have a look round and just check out all the landscape around here. Look at the birds actually flying around the observatory there. I don't know if the camera's actually picking them up, but downtown certainly does look amazing. Just look at the observatory here now at the back. It's just as spectacular. We've got some lovely palm trees there, and they've got all these canopies for, I don't know what they actually use them for. People must stand under them for shade. So we're going to head round the back now of the observatory. It's always a beautiful walk. I like going round the back. But we're just going to check out the plant life there, and that does look absolutely fantastic as well. So we're walking now under these archways, and it does give you a very, very interesting look. Let's just check out again the city around here, and like I say, there is like a smog on it today, and I think the heat is causing that, because honestly it's just so hot. You can see it's beautiful weather on the camera, and there's not a cloud in the sky, but the camera doesn't actually show you how warm it is. We've got all these beautiful hills here where people go walking and hiking. There's one or two there just coming round the corner there at the top, so you can hike for miles and miles here in Los Angeles. And again, look at all the birds, for some reason, swarming around the observatory. Let's just look that way towards Hollywood, and then right in the distance, which we're looking at now, right in the centre of the picture where we've got the taller buildings, that's Century City. Just doing his filming there. And I'm just going to carry on now, just round here, and just check out what's happening round the other side here. So again, we're walking through all these amazing archways at the back of the observatory, and they do look lovely. And here we go, the back end of Griffith Observatory. And there you are, we've got another absolutely incredible view there now of downtown LA. Let's just swing round here and have a look at Griffith Park from the back here. And yeah, it is absolutely fantastic. So let's head up the pathway here, and again as we go up here we'll just have a look at this absolutely beautiful area here with all the plant life and everything on it. Looks absolutely fantastic. And then I'll show you the view you do get from here now as you come down this path, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Look at that, downtown Los Angeles, absolutely beautiful. So we're heading up to the front lawn. Like I say, there is something going on here. I don't know what they're doing, but there is some work and construction guys here. Oh, and I've just gone in the shade there, and that is lovely. And look at the Hollywood sign in front of me there, how fantastic that actually looks. Be there. And look at the observatory from where we are here. Again, that looks absolutely stunning. I think the view this way where you see the Hollywood sign is probably the best. That is just spectacular. So we'll walk now down to the sundial as we head back down to the car. And look how good that looks. That looks beautiful as well. And the sky again is just so beautiful. Is it the right time? Okay, so as you can see, it's 9:20, and yeah, everybody look at that. So the sundial is absolutely spot on with the time. Spot on. Pretty amazing. We already know there's nothing there for them. So again, we're looking now as we head back to the car towards the Hollywood sign, and look at the view we get as we are walking to the car park as well. It's just immense. It's beautiful. All the hills. A few years ago, them hills had quite a serious fire, didn't they, as well? It did, yeah. And it did in front of me burn quite a lot of them out, but you can't tell now. It's all regrown and all back to normal. So like I say, it's always, when you're walking back here, it's always kept really, really clean and really, really tidy. And we have got some restrooms in front of me to the left, and they're always clean as well. So Griffith Park is pretty much a dream. So we're heading back to the car, and when we get back to the car I'm going to get you some more absolutely spectacular footage as we leave this area. I've thoroughly enjoyed me walk this morning, and I hope you have too when you watch this video.